Okay, here we go, kids. We're going to put together, this video will show you how to put together the CD Sailor. So at this point, you've got your 4 individual rectangles measured out, ready to go. They've got their parallel lines on them for folding. You folded them in at their 90-degree angles. Okay, so you've got those all set, ready to go. Alright. And you have your 2 CDs. I happen to have the Algebra 1 CDs. I'm putting those to good use. Alright, and then you're going to need some tape as well as a ruler. If you have a permanent marker, that would be awesome. A pencil will work and a pen will work. Highlighter will sometimes work as well. Okay? So, anyways, let's get started. Now, the first thing that you want to do is you want to turn over your CDs. You can use the front if you want. It's up to you. I just like to tape stuff to the inside there when I do this. And so the first thing that you want to do is you want to make 2 diameters that intersect at 90-degree angles on your CD. Okay? So you want to make, you just take 1 diameter, and as close as you can, you'd want to eyeball it across the center, and just very carefully draw your diameter across there. Okay? And then in the center here, you want to form a 90-degree angle and draw your second diameter like this. And these are going to give you the guidelines for attaching your cardboard pieces to. Okay? So you want to just kind of establish that, an intersecting set of diameters. Then you want to do it on the other one as well. So you take your ruler, and again you're doing intersecting diameters, which means you're going to go right through the center of the CD, rotate it, and you're going to go right through the center as well. And again, you can eyeball, but you want to divide it into fourths as best as you can. Okay? So now you have your 2 CDs. Alright, and so you're done with the ruler for right now. And the next thing we want to do is we want to attach each of the 4, what I like to call fins, okay, to your CD. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to take a piece of tape, and you want to be about the same width as your cardboard here. And then what you do is you fold this over, okay, and you want your, you want to tape this down so it's right on the line here, okay, and you want it in between the inside circle edge and the outside circle edge. It's best to put it kind of like right in between there. You don't want it on the edge like that, okay, and so then you just kind of like make sure that the fold is right on that diameter, and then tape it down on this side right there. Okay? And then you take that, fold it back, you get another piece of tape, and you put it on like that as well. Okay? So now this is attached to your CD. And now you'll notice how the tab is going this way. So in this case, I started it so it's going kind of in a counterclockwise direction. You'd want all the other ones to follow that same pattern. So again, you get a piece of tape, and you make sure you're following the pattern there so that your tab is where it needs to be. Put your fold right on the diameter, tape it down like so, fold it over, get another piece of tape like so. Alright, and now we have 2 of our fins on there. Okay, and you can see that they're at right angles with each other. I'm going to rotate this around, take my 3rd fin, piece of tape, and again I want my tab going in the counterclockwise direction. So I'm going to line up my line, my parallel line that I drew, and I'm going to tape it down. There we are. And again, I'm going to fold it over and put another piece of tape on this side as well. Go on to the 4th one and get another piece of tape. Make sure my fold tab is in the right direction. Make sure I am lined up on my diameter. tape it down, fold it over. Apply another piece of tape right there, and there we go. So now what we have are 4 fins, and if you look at those 4 fins, okay, you can see that they're all going in the same direction. And now we're ready to tape our next CD on. Now this gets a little complicated. This can be difficult to do because you have a couple options. You can put it on and hold it and try and turn it over like that. You can try to reach under there. You can even get a friend to hold it and help you. Okay? I just happen to like doing it this way. I like to take it and put it on up from above like this, because then I can just tape easier. Okay? And so what I do is I always just take a piece of tape and I pick one of the fins. Alright, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it over and very carefully make sure that my fold goes down right on top of one of those diameters. Move it in a little bit, just like so. And then I got to put a piece of tape out there. And so when I fold it down like that, you can see that the fold goes right on the diameter that I drew. Now I'm ready for this one right here. So I'm going to take a little bit of tape, put it on my fin like so, and I'm going to put my fold down like so, making sure that I line up with my diameter. Pick it up here. Okay. There we go. Okay. And so now you can see that I've got my fold right there on my diameter. Alright. So now what I'll do is alright. So now I've got 2 fins attached in there. Okay, and you can see that I've got nice right angles here. So now I'm going to take my 3rd fin, put tape on the end of it right here, and you can see it's starting to want to roll away on me. So I put my tape on there, and again, I want to line it up so that my fold is right on the diameter there. Take another piece of tape, reach in there, push that out of the way, and I want to tape that down like so. So I have that in there, and now I have my last one to put down. And again, I'm going to slide it in there so that the fold is right on the line there. Like so. There you go. And then reach on into the inside. Same situation. And there we go. And so now I have my CD Sailor, and it is ready to roll. Alright? And that's all you do. Alright? There you go.